We don't have to wait till the midterm election to have our voice heard. We don't have to wait to cast a ballot to feel empowered. We can actually do it today. And I want to give you context about what's going on at the Texas State Board of Education next week and how you can make your voice heard. Back in September, by a one-vote margin, if you're wondering why this race matters so much, the Texas State Board of Education voted on a new framework for the way students in public schools are going to learn about social studies. And since September, they've been doing everything in their power to rush through an untransparent, radical rewrite of the way that students from kindergarten all the way to high school are learning about civil rights history. The way not only what is taught in social studies, but also how it's taught. There is a lack of transparency over who exactly is being centered in these stories. I often see on the campaign trail, our history is Texas history. And yet there's many forces out there that don't agree with it. These forces are having their voices heard at the State Board of Education. This coming week, our board is meeting from Tuesday the 7th to Friday the 10th, and I will be there on Tuesday the 7th to testify against this radical rewrite of the way social studies is taught in our public schools. I have many key issues with this rewrite. Let me just give you a few. When we teach social studies, we need to teach the truth. There should be no political, personal, or religious beliefs influencing what is taught and how it's taught. Unfortunately, that is not the way our social studies is being proposed at the board. We have a lot of extremists trying to dictate their own political and religious beliefs onto our public school students. I believe in the First Amendment. I believe in the freedom of religion. We need to stand up for the First Amendment in our social studies.